Hello everyone, are you ready? Because I have got a good news for everyone who wants to come to Japan. And before I start today's video, I would like to tell you that I have uploaded Pyar Ka Panchnama 2 movie in the Telegram channel, the link of which is in the description. You have to go and watch. It is with Japanese subtitles, so you can study also, you can watch also, and make sure to follow to that page, and you can comment me what do you want next. Maybe Kapil Sharma show, which is recently broadcasted on Netflix. I am going to upload that also if you write down in the comment section, and that too with Japanese subtitles. So go and follow that page right now. And I have uploaded my share house tour video also. You get to see how share house looks like. My senior has been living in Japan for around 15 years and she did not know how a share house in Japan looks like, and you are getting to see online just by a click. So I'll put the link there. Go and watch my share house tour video. Well, as you know, in a few days I am going to India for 2 weeks, so let's go to a shop nearby. When I come back from India, I know I'm going to be very tired, so I don't want to do shopping at that time. So before going there, I want to buy different stuffs, for example cold drink, tomato and other things, so that when I come back from India I am relaxed that all the stuff is there at home. I bought a new keychain, so let's go out. Let me use.
To make me surrender. Why you always in my face? Do you really think it's over?
This light is always on. That house looks cool. That's my bicycle. Well, you can see that sakura tree. All the pink color flowers have withered and the green leaves have come now because sakura season has gone. Here the kids are playing because today is a holiday for them. If you see me also, I am wearing a t-shirt because sakura season has passed away and I posted 2 videos. I hope you enjoyed them all. Yeah, I got a good response on those videos. And now it's summers. Now summers are approaching in Japan, so not many people are enjoying the sunlight now. The house I like the most here. See the old lady, she is. Let me show you there. One sakura tree is there, and see what has happened to that tree. See. This product seems good for my dog. He is not a puppy, but yeah, I think this is fine. This is prescription diet, so I'll buy this. Along with this, I am also going to buy a few biscuits for my dog. Hi. Well, the shopping is done and I was thinking that I'll go and buy some tomato, onions and all, but my bag is already full. I bought few stuff for my dog in India, so I think I'm not going to go to buy tomato because that place is very far from there. So I'm going to go back home. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'll go and buy tomatoes and all. Now let's go back to the room and let's talk about the topic of the video today. Well, this is Anytime Fitness Gym. I posted one video of this. If you have not watched, let me link down that above. You can go and watch. I joined this gym long time back. This is 24 hours. That's the Chinese ramen restaurant. See, this guy is flying drone. See, he's a drone pilot. If you see behind his jacket, drone pilot, he's capturing something. Well, first time I saw someone flying drone in Japan. That too, a drone pilot is flying the drone. Okay, so few days back only there was a news that Universal Studios in Osaka is hiring foreign nationals and they are going to double it by this year end. 2024 year end. So first of all, for the people who don't know what Universal Studios is, Universal Studios is there in different countries, and it's basically a theme park where you can go and take different rides, watch magic shows, watch different shows. And here I am seeing the news also that Universal Studios Japan jumped to the number 3 spot among the world's most visited theme parks last year. So this news was published on 5th of August 2023. With that, you can understand that Universal Studios Japan is so popular among foreigners because many foreigners from different countries are coming to Japan Universal Studios mainly to watch how Japan Universal Studios is. If I tell you personally, even I have been to Singapore Universal Studios, but so far I have not been to Japan Universal Studios because it is very far from my place. But yes, someday I will definitely go and take you along. So if I talk about the ticket prices, the 1-day ticket price for an adult is around 8600 yen, and for 2-day adult pass is 16,300 yen, and 1-day child pass is 5600 yen. Why this is a 1-day pass is because it takes a full day to watch and enjoy Universal Studios, and it is very big. So in Japan, the Universal Studios is located in Osaka, which is very far from Tokyo. So the day I'll go to Osaka, I will try to go and visit Universal Studios as well. Well, 4 months back I went to Osaka, but I didn't have that much time to visit Universal Studios, and also I went for some work purpose, so I was alone there and I didn't have any friend there to enjoy with, so I thought of not going to Universal Studios. Now that you know what Universal Studios is, now let me tell you the details of this opening. So only few days back there is a news by Japan Today that Universal Studios in Osaka is doubling their foreign employees by year end. Now why they are doing it? Because they need multilingual services. So now many people are coming from different countries, so they need people who can communicate with those people, and right now they don't have that much people. And like I told you that this became the world's most visited number 3 position, so many people are coming from different countries, so they need people who can communicate with those people, so they need foreign employees. Well, the main reason is that the foreign visitors have increased by 6-fold. They are saying 6 times it has increased. So after Japan removed the border restrictions due to COVID-19, more and more visitors are coming to Japan, due to which they need employees, foreign employees. Now they are saying that you have to meet certain Japanese language skills criteria based on which they will hire you. It will be judged by some temporary staffing agencies, and initially if you get hired, you will be placed at a restaurant or cafe inside Universal Studios, because there are many restaurants and all, so that you become habitual, you become accustomed to this area, and then they will place you to some main department. As per the news, they trained few people from Taiwan, trained them on how to serve customers and take on other restaurant duties. So currently people who are working here, they are carrying translation devices because they want to satisfy the customers. Thing is not very effective because you have to every time translate everything using translation devices. So they want foreign employees who are well versed with Japanese and mainly English, so the employees do not have to carry translation devices and they can communicate and help the visitors at Universal Studios. So all in all, they want to make the conversation, the satisfaction level of their customers effective. As you know, in Japan the customer is considered the king, so they want to satisfy the customers by not troubling them using translation devices and all. Now there is one Takanobu Okawara-san of company's HR department, he is saying that we will push forward the hiring and nurturing of foreign employees by focusing on quality. So they are trying to hire more and more people, and they are going to nurture them, means train them how to speak, how to treat customers and all. So it's a good thing. And why they're so willing to call foreign employees to Japan is because in 2025 they have World Expo 2025, which is about designing future society of our lives. It's a very interesting concept which I am going to discuss with you in some other video, otherwise this video will be very long. And it is going to be held from 13 April 2025 to 13 October 2025. Okay, now how you can apply for this job. I searched a lot and I found two sites through which you can apply for these jobs. Not jobs, job. One is indeed.com. I hope many of you are aware of Indeed. I have also used Indeed. The other is careercross.com. So on these two sites you can go and upload your resume and apply for Universal Studios Japan, and you can get an opportunity to work in Japan. And if you have never come to Japan, you can come to Japan, enjoy Japan, and if you are working at Universal Studios, then you are living in heaven already. So it will be a great opportunity. About salary, don't worry about salary because Japan has some minimum wage regulations, so you will get good salary. Maybe I'll do one thing, I'll put the site's link at the description, careercross.com and indeed.com. Maybe you can click on the link and it will direct you to the site. Well, I'm not sure whether certainly these two sites will help you or not, but I am assuming that these two sites will be helpful. Go and apply right now, don't waste your time. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have fun.